This is so nerve-wracking.
I hate being outside.
This is not what I'm supposed to be wearing. I'm supposed to be wearing this. But like I feel naked.
You got it. It's fine.
There's nobody watching. Who cares, right? Who cares? We're having a picnic. We have our picnic basket. It's a watermelon that I had to carry on the bus. Inside of the watermelon, we have cups, we have plates, we have Doritos, we got strawberries and grapes.
That is mine. Well, she brought it for the intentions of me.
I cut an avocado so that we can add it here, and they're sliced, so we can just pick out it and put it in.
My turn. So this is my bag. So I got the games, So here's a fan. That's not a game, but I brought a fan. We got Uno, hand sanitizer, and then we got dominoes because you can never go wrong with a game of dominoes. So,
we also have canvases because we're gonna paint. We could be either Bob Ross and do the lake or something, or we could just do Pinterest pictures.
I'm not an artist, so.
And then we have our brushes. That's a lot. We have a lot of brushes.
There's also a board game.
Oh yeah, so this one is it's like a Disney villains where you play as the villain. It's
when
fun.
did you put the glasses on?
Oh my god, there's a lady coming.
I'm not gonna speak. I'm so scared. So slow too.
I know, she's gonna hear everything we're saying.
And the way we changed. It's so funny.
Okay, look, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I kind of want to change my clothes. This is what it's like to be having anxiety.
I can't look. I'm so scared.
Okay, look. Let's just do this.
That's hot. Having my phone. So I don't go outside.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. And the fact that there's heavy more people coming. This is why we should have gone to the other spot. Like that is just an open field, and you can be as far away from each other.
An open field. So we live in a small.
Is it
So we live in a
we live
place that people don't usually record.
Yeah, it's very nerve-wracking to be out here half naked. I mean, it's a really nice outfit.
It is.
And I'm just very self-conscious right now because it looks like I'm at the beach, and we're not at the beach.
I mean, there's a lake right there.
So we're gonna use these to mix and stuff. That scenery in the back is so nice. Look at it. Yeah. That lighting. Chef's kiss. I've been watching a lot of Emma Chamberlain.
I know.
So every time she's getting fearful of something, she's like, okay, but who the fuck cares,
A lot of people.
Nobody really cares.
So here's what I'm working with. Trust the process,
I may have to do it a lot closer to the sky so that it looks kind of natural.
So this is not the finished product, but this is what we're working with. So this is the sky, this is the water, this is the grass. I don't know if you can see the detail on it. There's barely any detail, but I don't know if you can see that. I'm not an artist, so.
Look, we're all artists of life. We create so many things in our lives. Oh, from far? Not bad.
Oh, from far? Pretty bad.
Have you been to the water rides in this park?
Here?
It's not bitter.
Here? No, I didn't even know they had that. Oh.
It's right there. I didn't know they had that.
I didn't.
Future Picassos.
Are you gonna give me a WhatsApp?
We just finished eating. That's really good.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna continue painting. And once we're finished, we can play board games.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna try to do the tree. Whatever else I feel like doing.
Okay, fit check. Fit check. I got this from a stripper. I don't know where she got it from. This skirt has a bow. And it's from Charlotte Russe. I got it like 5 years ago. My socks are from Vans. And my scrunchie is from TJ Maxx.
So did you just give up on painting or like?
No, I'm waiting for a try. My watch is from my job.
Why do you do that?
I
to
have
yourself?
earrings from Pandora. These are from Pandora. And that's about it.
Fit check. I have a random branch there. I got this shirt from Fora, rapper. I got these from I don't know where. Probably like a flea market or something.
Flea marker.
A flea market. I got these socks. I don't know. They were my mom's, but she never wore them. So I was like, "Can I have your black socks?" Because I like black. And then she was like, "Yeah, sure. I don't wear them." So it was a new pack. And then
It was a new pack.
yeah, it was a new pack of socks that she had in her drawer. So it says AV on it. Oh, you can't even see it. It says AV on it. Oh, there's more. I'm so mad. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the little flowers bottom on the ground. So there's like
I'm nervous now.
why are there so many?
Imagine I pull out my
Because you have it in the bottom.
If you have the branch one,
The branch one?
the tree one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what's going on? This looks cool.
Thank you.
It looks like a little kid.
I think he means like
Yeah, what we have.
this, yeah. Cause I've been seeing some really.
Pictures come out.
Kind of.
That's nice. Better than I could do, I'll tell you that. Not really, they're really nice.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right, have a blessed one.
Thank you,
too.
you too. I told you.
Alright, anyways.
Maybe this will be good. You know, get out of our comfort zones. And, you know, experience the world.
Bro, go next to my eyes one more time, man.
Experience the world and see kind people.
Why do you leave your strawberries like that?
That one had like a bruise on it. I don't like bruises.
I should do a little canoe.
You could do
girl's drawing?
Yeah.
What, the trees?
Yeah, sort of.
Okay, see? Oh, that's cool. Where are we in the picture? Yeah. Two old guys walking by. Take care.
Thank you, you too. This is what I call socializing.
We're doing so good. So here's my work. Yeah.
Okay, so now we are heading somewhere. Oh, it's been an hour and 19 minutes. That back room is so nice.
Are you still?
That is the cutest. There's so many baby ones. That is so cute. Oh my god! I love nature.
I took a
Panorama.
But I forgot to take a picture of a tree. No.
It's called Villains. Villainous. I just call it Villains because I don't want to say it all out. It's a very fun game, but I haven't played this version of it. I've played the Avengers one.
What do you
And
mean you haven't played that version of it?
there's a lot of versions of this.
We found a caterpillar. He's so cute.
So we just finished our picnic date. We're all packed up. We ended up playing Among Us and dominoes for the rest of the day.
We had changed locations.
Yeah, we needed to go to the bathroom and we had to pack everything up because we both had to pee. But yeah, now we're walking through this. It's so beautiful. And that is how we will end our video today. So thank you for watching. Sliding is so bad. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.